day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart on this very volatile final trading session of the week. Just before I start today's video though, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal group, then please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 to join. But let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures chart. We have fallen off a cliff this week. This is the fourth negative trading session in a row, which takes us all the way back to Tuesday. And, since Tuesday, we're down 5.43%. But the good news is my Signal team is making money due to the fact we sold on Tuesday up at around 3,883. So we've been big sellers here of the S&P 500. And we are about to trigger our take profit, which is all the way down at 3,700. We're currently trading down at 3,719. So we're only 18 or 19 points away from hitting our take profit. RSI is now approaching the oversold territory. I've been screaming on YouTube the whole week that we are very likely going to go and trade down towards the June 16th lows, and we're pretty much getting there any day now. And, I think that this now becomes very interesting because the big question is, do we break through the June 16th lows and trade to a new yearly low, or do we bounce? Do we have a perfect W-shaped pattern going on here? Where we've got, if I just get out my paintbrush here, is this potentially the perfect double bottom forming here, where we then go and trade back up towards the all-time highs in the foreseeable future? The honest question is, I don't know. I don't have that answer. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't have a crystal ball, but what I can tell you is that I have been selling the market recently since we broke below 3,900, targeting the June 16th lows. I'm about to close that trade in profit, but I've also been buying along the way. I've been buying lots and lots, dollar cost averaging. I just bought some more this morning, and I'm going to continue to buy some more as we drop lower. My full anticipation here is that we do go down to 3,650, and that's where I'm going to stop buying, okay? And I'm going to anticipate for a bounce going into the end of this year, because historically and seasonality wise, from after the first week of October, the market actually does tend to do pretty well, and it's all lining up very well with the RSI now becoming oversold. So I do expect a nice rally coming in upcoming weeks. So I'm about to close my short-term sell position here, but I still hold my medium and long-term buys. And just to clarify, guys, these buy positions that I have open, I don't plan on closing them next month or in 3 months' time. These positions are, I'm basically going to be holding them for over 12 months. So, my time horizon is very, very long. I'm only 25 years old. So, I'm not in a rush. I don't have to save up for my pension because I'm planning on retiring in a year's time. My time horizon is very long. And these are positions that, I'm willing to hold for a very long time. And, most probably will close them up near the previous all-time highs up around 4,800. But very exciting movements in the markets today. We have crude oil falling down significantly, which of course is going to help with CPI in the foreseeable future. We have the 2-year bond yield up above 4%, currently trading at 4.26%. We've had a wild rise in bond yields this morning. This is really, really crazy stuff in the markets. Please be careful if you are new to trading. It's very difficult to predict where the markets are going. But that being said, I said it halfway through the month of September, but going into the first week of October, the markets are likely to be very negative. And then after the first week of October, that's when I'm really expecting the markets to turn around, and we will see a very similar rally to what occurred back from the lows of June 16th, where we rallied over 20%. That's what I'm anticipating for going into the month of October.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.